In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new field to an existing model in Odoo. We'll be using Odoo Studio to add a monetary field to a model you already have. So this is a great option if you want to customize your forms without writing code. The example in this walkthrough is a budget field, but the same process applies anytime you need to store a money amount on an existing record. Start by opening your Odoo website and signing into your account. Once you're in, go to the apps page where you can see the available Odoo applications in your database. From there, open the application that contains the model you want to modify. For example, if you want to add this field to CRM records, open the CRM app. After you're inside the correct app, click the Studio icon in the top right corner. This opens Odoo Studio, which lets you customize views and fields directly from the interface. In Studio, choose the Form option so you're working on the form view of the existing model. This is important because the form view is where users will see and edit the field on individual records. Next, in the Studio panel, open the Add tab. Under New Fields, find a monetary field type. Drag it into the place on the form where you want the new field to appear. Try to place it somewhere logical for the users who will be entering this information, so the form stays easy to read and use. Once the field is on the form, go to its properties and enter the label you want displayed. In this example, enter budget. If Odoo asks you to choose a currency field, select the currency field that should be linked to this budget field. This ensures the amount is displayed with the correct currency, which is essential for consistency and reporting. After that, configure any other available properties for the monetary field. Depending on your setup, this may include options related to visibility, required status, or placement. Take a moment to review these settings so the field behaves the way you want. Now check the form to make sure the budget field appears correctly and that it shows a monetary value with the appropriate currency. If everything looks good, click Close in the upper right corner of Studio to return to the normal application view. Open an existing record or click New to create one. Find the budget field and enter the monetary value you want to store. At this point, the new monetary field has been successfully added to the existing Odoo model and is ready to use. Thanks for watching.